We'll come back to another Python tutorial. So here we're looking at variables and objects. Yes, we've done variables before, if you can't remember, but now we're looking at variables and objects, okay? So in Python, values are stored in objects. So if we say, let's say, I want to generate, now my guy, why do you always come up? So I just want to generate this guy because I want to use it. So if we say, like a is equal to 10 or 10.2, a new object a is created as we have given it a floating point 10.2. The object is of a type floating point. If we had made this a equal to 10, it will be an integer object, but now is what? With this dot, it is what? A floating point object. In other programming languages, values are stored in variables. This is not exactly the same as an object. As an object, or object has methods, that means functions that belong to the object. For this beginner's course, the difference is not important because we will still look at it. Okay? So now, the most important thing to begin with are to know what the object types you have, because they're very important. We have integer types, and some of the integers are like a is equal to 8. This is an integer value, and floating point values, if I say d is equal to 8 point anything or 8.0, this is a floating point value. And we have a complex value. A complex value is, let's say, b is equal to 5 plus 10, maybe 10k. So this is a complex value. Okay, I say c is equal to complex 3 and 5. So this is a complex value. You still know how to use all these values. We have a char, or is a single byte character. The char is for writing string values. If I say a is equal to a, this a, I'm giving this value of a to store in this object. Okay, this is a string value, and a can be equal to this. You can store anything. Let's say you can type anything, and this is a string value. So this is a character. So characters, the difference between a character and string values is that character is just a one number. Let's look at string and see what we have. If I have g is equal to, I'm going to type lots of things inside here. These are a list of characters. So we can type as many as we want. The list of characters. So I hope this can help us to understand more about variables and objects. So the objects we have are int, the integers. You can call them with a class type, int. We have float, we have complex, we have character, we have string. So these are the objects we have, and you can use variables to name them anything you want. You can say class int, class float, class complex, built-in functions, char, and class string. So all these guys are built-in functions. We need them anytime we need them, we get them. Okay, so we have variables like any name, even a name of a person, animal, place, or things. You can use anything. You can use a noun or anything. or even an adverb or adjective or preposition as a variable to store names and later retrieve them back. I hope that string variables might not be a problem to you, but understanding the data types or the objects or the object types, as I may say, might be something that we need to work more on so we can understand them very fine and very well. So see in the next tutorial, we'll be doing a tutorial, we'll be writing a simple code where we can be able to use these guys and do some things that are also very cool, very interesting as well. So see you there, and have a nice day.